Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana Self Forum. So today I am here with you all with a new topic which is not directly related to a disease condition, but I think this topic is very important to discuss, and here I am going to give you some tips how you can reduce your stress in your workplace, and let's start our journey. So tip number 1, improve communication. So here a very important thing that you have to remember is that whenever you are working in a workplace, your communication skills should be very good. If you are in a higher level, you share your information with the employees and define their roles and responsibilities. And always remember to make communication friendly and efficient, and it will definitely work. And if you are a lower level employee, or if you are working under someone in your workplace, if they delegate some work to you, or if they are giving some work to you, and if you think that you cannot handle that time you have to definitely say no, but in a polite way. And don't forget to give the reason why. And if you think that you can do the work, then always try to learn new things so that it will help you to grow as well as the organization. Now let's come to our second tip. Prioritize and organize your responsibilities. Manage your time by creating a balanced schedule. What you can do, you can make a list or to-do list, we can say. Whatever is in your priority one, that one you write in the first and do it first. And try to allocate a time for that particular task. Suppose you are thinking that this particular task I am going to complete in a 10 minutes. So that one you keep at the first, and if you think that this is my second priority, so write it in the second point, and another 10 minutes you allocate for this particular task, and like that you can finish your work in time. And don't work continuously. At least you have to take break for 5 minutes or be relaxed and think about yourself too. Whenever you are organizing your responsibilities, that time always keep in mind that sometimes you are unable to do all the work together. So that time you should know when to delegate, and how you are delegating your work to others so that they won't feel offended. So you should know how to communicate and be willing to compromise. Sometimes things may not go your way. So that time you have to change yourself to adapt with the new situation. So keep working on that too. Now we are moving on to our tip number 3, that is improve your emotional intelligence. Always manage your emotion in positive and constructive ways. Communicate with others in ways that overcome differences. And whenever possible, try to always inspire others, influence them, connect with them, learn from them. And with your colleagues, you can do one thing. You can share the ideas, how you're working and how you're managing your work, and you can even learn from them so that you can manage conflict. Now we are coming to our fourth point, that is take care of yourself, which is very important. Pay attention to your physical and emotional health, and always try to do physical stress relieving strategies like yoga, meditations or exercise. Break up the activity into 2 or 3 segments, and by eating small amount of meal frequently, you can maintain your health, and as well as you can also maintain your blood sugar level, which will prevent your mood swings. And the most important one is get sound sleep. Now we are coming to our last point, that is number 5, and that is improve upon your bad habits. Eliminate self-defeating behavior and flip your negative thinking, and always try to be positive and always feel grateful whatever you have, as there are millions of people who is not going for work and who are unable to feed their family, but you are earning. So be grateful for that and be happy wherever you are, whatever you are and whoever you are. I hope all of you have learned something new today. I think this video is helpful for you, and all these points I'm not giving by myself. I read from book and I thought of sharing with you all, because whenever we share knowledge it increases, right? So if you have another tips, let me know in the comment section below, and if you really like my video, then give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and If you're new to my channel, then subscribe it. And till then, be healthy, be happy. Thank you so much.